Hey everyone, in this short video I'll be talking to you about how fast you can make money with affiliate marketing, and the answer to that question is within an hour if you do everything correctly, and there's also some luck involved as well. I'll be talking to you about all those details because I actually do this for a living and I've seen these things happen in my own experience with other people's experiences because I also have friends that are affiliate marketers. So I'll be talking to you about all of that and giving you examples of what this looks like to give you a picture of what to expect. Now at the same time though, there is something of a bit of a warning with that as well, because some of these strategies, they come with their own consequences, and typically what I find is that a lot of people that are new that aim to try to make money as fast as possible with affiliate marketing are also the quickest people to fail as well. So I'm going to explain all of that and give you proper context so you know how to do this correctly and avoid the many mistakes that people make when they chase the fast money. Now, before I do that, if you're new to my channel, my name is Vitaly and I do affiliate marketing for a living, and I create videos like these to help you do the same thing as well. And these are some of my stats in the business. I do this, like I said before, for a living. I've been doing this for many years. These are some of my other stats. I promote multiple affiliate offers across a wide range of places, including YouTube, through blogging, paid ads, just all sorts of stuff. So I create these videos to help you with that as well. And my top recommendation, if you are new or struggling, is to check out the link in the description of this video to see what I recommend that you do if you're trying to succeed in affiliate marketing and you haven't actually gotten there, because there's a recommendation there that you can start for free that helped me get to where I am today. It takes time, it takes effort to build an affiliate business, even though I am talking about how quickly you can do that in this video. But the truth is, it takes time and work for most people to build a legitimate, long-term, full-time earning affiliate business, and that's something you need to understand before I continue. Now, back to the main point. Let's talk about how fast you can make money with affiliate marketing. I already answered that by saying that it's pretty much within an hour if you do things correctly and like all the stars align, if you will. But let me give you a few examples of what this looks like, some beginner examples, some more advanced examples of what this actually looks like when it's done right. So the first example is with YouTube. That's probably the number one best option if you're a beginner, you have little or no money to start an affiliate business, but you're trying to make sales as quickly as possible. I would recommend you A, find a popular product to review, and then B, create a review of that product on YouTube, because typically that'll start getting you views very quickly once you publish that video. I have other videos that talk about how to do this correctly, how to optimize your YouTube video when you upload it so you can potentially get more views. Now, this is not a guarantee, of course, but this is what I've typically seen to be the fastest option when it comes to the free organic options that are out there. Now, the second option is Pinterest, which I will admit is not my top strategy, because I typically use Pinterest to drive traffic to my site, not necessarily make affiliate sales from it. But the idea behind Pinterest is that you create pins that typically also review popular products. You want to make a beautiful video or a picture of the product that entices people to click on the pin, then they'll visit either your affiliate link and buy it, or they'll visit a landing page that promotes that product and then they visit the page to buy it. So that's another option. Those are the more beginner-friendly ones. Now, moving into the more advanced ones, the first one, which I would actually say out of all the options is the most likely one to get people results, is using paid ads. So we're talking about Facebook ads, Google ads, Microsoft ads. Those are typically the ad networks that I use, and if you've never heard of these before, or you may have but you don't know how they work, basically the idea is you create an ad on one of these platforms. Let's take Google Ads for example, and then what you do is you put keywords for that ad, so whenever people are on Google and they type in one of those keywords, your ad gets triggered, shows up, people click on the ad, they visit a landing page, and that landing page promotes some kind of affiliate offer. And typically when you create an ad on Google, you can start seeing clicks come to your ad, if you do things correctly, of course, within an hour sometimes. And when traffic starts to come through your ad, the potential to make sales from that starts to pop up. So here's actually an example of one of my Google ads. This is actually a 7-day report. I've gotten over 1,200 clicks in the last week. And the thing about this is that it can potentially bring you a lot of traffic very quickly, but you have to pay for every click. So this is one of those, like, two-sided coins kind of thing. Yes, you can get traffic quickly and make sales quickly, but you have to pay for it. And if you don't make enough money on the back end from whatever it is that you're promoting to pay for those ads, you can end up losing money. So that's something you got to be aware of. Now, the last option is more of like a hybrid, if you will, because you have to kind of put in the work and build something before you start promoting stuff to the people that it is that you're promoting to so you can make money quickly, and that is an email list. Now with an email list, what you typically do is you collect an email list, let's say it's about hiking, and you give people good tips about that. You accumulate thousands of subscribers on your email list, and by the way, you also have to pay for an autoresponder for that. But throughout the email series that you sent out to your audiences, there comes a point where you send out what is known as an email broadcast, where you just, an email blast if you will, which maybe recommends some kind of new amazing hiking product that you found out about. And provided that the people that are on your email list open up that email, you can potentially, once you send out the email, you can start seeing sales come trickling in within an hour, within a few hours, within a few days, depending on who opens it when after they receive the email. And this is something that I've done in the past before, but this is something that requires initial investment and work, because you got to build up the email list in the first place, you got to gain the trust of your audiences, and then and only then down the line do you start promoting to them. So that's another one. It's a little bit kind of, there's more layers involved to it than the other strategies that I mentioned, but all of these strategies that I just listed can potentially get you a lot of sales quickly as an affiliate marketer. Now, I did mention in the beginning that there was going to be a warning about this, and the warning is that typically the context within which people ask me this question, there's this mindset of, well, I don't want to do too much work, I just want to promote some stuff and make sales quickly. I mean, who doesn't, right? But the truth is, the people that have that kind of mentality, I would strongly, if you're someone like that, I would strongly urge you to reconsider that mindset, because I've been down that road, I've met people that have been down that road as well, and they almost always fail. The truth about affiliate marketing is that you're trying to convince people to buy stuff, and you also typically want to promote stuff that actually helps people. And what a lot of people unfortunately do when they chase the quick money is they kind of throw that all under the car or whatever. And what I mean by that is they want to promote the most expensive stuff in the most spammy way possible to people. Typically also, they don't even care if the product is ethical or not, if it's a scam or not. They just want to promote anything that makes them money. And this inevitably leads to their own failure in this business, because if they're not building trust with their audiences, if they're not providing great value, if they're not promoting something that actually helps people and has good reviews, that ultimately is bad for you. Because the truth about affiliate marketing is that, once again, you're trying to convince people to buy stuff. And if you're being not good and authentic about it and honest about it, and you're creating content that truly helps people, then they'll trust you, then they'll buy from you. And at the same time, building a long-term affiliate business that makes you passive income also takes time. It's a brick-by-brick kind of thing where, if you were trying to build a house, you would want that house to be built quickly so you can move in there, but you would also want that house to be set up properly. You want the foundations to be set up. You want to make sure that the roof doesn't fall on your head. You want to make sure that, it can withstand some kind of storm or flood or other kinds of things. So think about your affiliate business from that house analogy that I just mentioned, where you want to take the time to build it up. Sometimes building an affiliate business involves building up a website, building up a YouTube channel over weeks and months in some cases before you start to promote stuff on those channels and start making money from it. And that's an investment. It's like a garden that you're watering, and the plants aren't going to sprout in an hour. They're going to take days, if not weeks, to start going for that, to start sprouting. So that's a really important mindset that you need to have if you're going to succeed in the affiliate marketing world. And I know that this is not a message that's going to get through to everybody, but I've been down that road myself, and I've met a lot of people that have been down that road, so I know what it usually leads to. So I'm just giving you this warning before you do that. So with that said, I'm going to finish up the video on that note. And one last thing I'm going to mention is, like I did in the beginning of the video, if you are new or struggling to affiliate marketing and you need help with this, check out the recommended resource below for what I recommend that you check out and start doing to start building that house, that affiliate business, the correct way, step by step. It's the same thing that helped me when I was just getting started in this business. I did make a lot of mistakes, so I'm trying to save you the time from making those same mistakes as well. So thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions, let me know, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.